I know I've said it a million times, but Thanksgiving has to be my favorite holiday. For today, let's talk stuffing. Homemade stuffing is so easy. This is another one that I will make the day before Thanksgiving and then just pop it in the oven on Thanksgiving Day. I start by making my croutons. You can use store-bought bread or homemade bread. I also really like them made with sourdough bread, and I'll link my sourdough recipe in the description box below. But whatever bread you choose to use, just lightly butter it, cube it, and pop it in your air fryer or in an oven set on a low heat around 200 degrees and let those bread cubes toast thoroughly. For this video, I used about a half a loaf of store-bought bread. I like to add some bacon to our stuffing. You could use sausage or even the giblets from the turkey, but my family doesn't like the giblets, so for today, I'm just using bacon. You'll also need some butter, some chicken stock, and whatever seasonings you like. We prefer poultry seasoning, a little garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I also had a few craisins, those dried cranberries, in our stuffing, but you don't have to. I just think it makes it look really festive. I start by cooking the bacon in my oven. This year I just used regular bacon, but turkey bacon is good as well. Tip, line that grill pan with aluminum foil for easier cleanup. I put the bacon on my grill pan and pop it in a 375-degree oven until it reaches the crispiness that we like. Next, melt your butter on your stovetop. The amount of butter you will need just depends on the amount of stuffing you're making. For this one, I'm using about 5 tablespoons, but I could go up to an entire cube. Once the butter has melted, add the onion in and let it saute until it's clear. Then add the celery and carrots. Let those cook about 10 minutes. You don't want to have them fully cooked through or they'll be too soft and mushy once your stuffing has baked in the oven. If you want to, add the craisins at this point. This is also the point where I season everything. I just forgot to film that part, sorry. While your veggies are simmering on low, dice up your bacon, add the bacon and then your bread croutons to the pan of veggies. Yes, my croutons got a little done. They got away from me, but it's fine. And enough chicken stock to make the stuffing come together. Some people add an egg in as a binder so the stuffing will hold its shape when served. I don't. Either way is fine. Do what works for you. Some years, I just don't have time to make the croutons. When that happens, I make this same recipe, but I use store-bought stuffing mix, and that's fine too. I've included a snippet of the store-bought stuffing mix compared to this homemade stuffing mix so you can see the difference in the texture of the croutons. Pour this mixture into a baking dish, cover, store it in your fridge, then the day of Thanksgiving, place it in a 375-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving and thanks for watching.